I'm at the Big Ben. It's so chilly, you have no idea. I've now worn my coat. Hi guys, so I'm at Waitrose. It's basically a grocery shopping store in London and people come here for a lot of varieties. I came here for, guess, coffee. Look at the coffee selection here. Like, oh my god, look at the choices here. It's like they don't stop. It's Lavazza. You got this, you got Starbucks. Just look at the variety here. It's crazy. For a person who loves coffee, I think you can go definitely crazy. Look at this, Lavazza again. Also this, I love this brand so much. If you're a coffee lover, you would really know what I mean. Like, oh god, just... So I already put like 4-5 packets in my bag. So I think I'm gonna shop for more and then I'm gonna head home. It's so difficult to decide. There are like so many options. I just showed you, right? So I am like a little bit crazy right now. So let me just get back to you with it. See you. Good morning again. So today I am going to Shepherd Bush. It's a place to shop and I don't know, like what else can I do, right? So, and I also need to achieve my aim of 25,000 steps. Yesterday I did, today also I'm gonna do. Also today is a slight sunny day. Let me show you. See, not bad, right? It's slightly sunny. See, it's not bad, right? The sun is nice, but it's like it's coming and going. You understand what I mean? Look at this. Although it's not dead, there are people, right? I felt like there was no one, but there are people shopping every single day. Like me. Bank Street. I'm gonna go there, guys. And is that finally I found Blank Street. I can see it right there. I'm gonna go and get a coffee for myself. Quick update, everyone. I came back home and I left my things there. Now I am going for a walk. I thought I would have the energy to go to the gym, but I'm just so drained out. I did like 11,000 steps till now, so I still need to get more steps in to reach my goal. So I'm just gonna go for a walk. I'll show you how the weather is. We'll see that. Good morning. Guess where I am? Basically, I'm in Hyde Park. I'm having my coffee. Sun is so nice. And I'm just enjoying this view. Today is a sunny day. You know, I have been so blessed that today and all the days that I was here was literally a sunny day. Look at this. It's a small cafe I'm sitting in. Pictures clicked. So I have my sister here. She's gonna click some of my pictures which I have in mind, you know, with the hat and everything. I got this bell going here and there. I have stuff. I'm wearing boots. I'm just gonna sit around, enjoy my coffee here, get some pictures clear, enjoy the sun, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you some views around here. So I wanted to show you my outfit. These boots. Wait, some people are staring at me. Just give me one sec. Yeah,
These boots are from Primark. I got it last year in London. These pants are from Zara. This is from Zara, just a basic top. And this belt is somewhere from, I don't know, some shop. I'm not even sure about that. But it's like cool vintage, right? And this hat, I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is my outfit. I hope you liked my journey in London. Like I loved shooting it for you. I don't know, I just love to document it so much. But today I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna walk around and gonna show you a quiet place. I'm gonna show you around, not gonna speak a lot. Maybe in between I might, but mostly it's gonna be just for the scenic views here in Hyde Park. And then I'm gonna take you to a coffee shop, and then I'm gonna take you around, maybe grab a bite. Now I'm just walking around Hyde Park and going to visit a cafe.